Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Berteloot from Nytro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is Thursday, May 1st, 2025. Here is what we are covering. The BBC is offering aspiring crime writers a unique opportunity to learn from the legendary Agatha Christie through a new course on BBC Maestro. Utilizing AI-enhanced technology, the videos are crafted with licensed images and restored audio to present writing tips from the famed author, who passed away in 1976. Insights on plot twists, story structure, and suspense are drawn from Christie's writings and interviews curated by Christie scholars. The project is supported by the Agatha Christie estate, including her great-grandson, James Pritchard. The course, featuring actor Vivian Keene's portrayal of Christie, aims to provide a masterclass in mystery writing while adhering to ethical AI use. Some concerns about the technology's impact on authorship persist, although Pritchard is optimistic. From classic fiction to real-life drama, a PR professional stepped into action when a voter's encounter with Congresswoman Nancy Mace went viral, sparking a media storm. The incident began when Ely Murray Quick asked Mace about hosting a town hall, prompting her to respond aggressively, share their exchange online, and label him a left-wing lunatic. The video rapidly gained traction, leading to widespread media interest and online backlash against Murray Quick, which included personal and homophobic attacks. With no communications team in place, the PR expert assisted Murray Quick with media relations, securing an appearance on CNN amidst the controversy. Speaking of AI challenges, a recent study has revealed that AI-generated code often contains non-existent dependencies, increasing vulnerability to supply chain attacks. Researchers evaluated 16 widely used large language models, producing 576,000 code samples, and found that nearly 20% of package dependencies were fictitious. Open-source models exhibited the highest rate of hallucinations. This phenomenon, termed package hallucination, poses a significant threat as attackers can exploit predictable patterns by publishing malicious packages with names identical to those hallucinated. The study also found disparity among programming languages, with JavaScript generating more hallucinations than Python due to its broader and more complex package ecosystem. Now, turning to visual creativity, Google has enhanced its Gemini chatbot app by introducing advanced image creation tools, allowing users to modify AI-generated images as well as images uploaded from personal devices. Announced in a recent company blog post, the new feature will gradually become available to users in over 45 languages and across most countries in the coming weeks. This update follows Google's earlier AI Studio pilot, which attracted attention for its controversial watermark removal capability. Gemini's upgraded image editor offers a multi-step editing process that combines text and images to provide richer contextual outputs. Users can now alter image backgrounds, replace objects, and add new elements directly within Gemini. And finally, shifting to content platforms. LTK, founded by Amber Vensbox as a social commerce platform in 2011, aims to become the preferred post-social platform for creators amid the volatility of platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Initially launched as an affiliate marketing channel, LTK has shifted focus, with less than half of its revenue now coming from commissionable links. Instead, it is transforming into a publishing platform, offering a space that is stable and adaptable for creators. The app's latest version emphasizes video content and has introduced new features like a Near You tab and a music edition to enhance content creation.
Thank you for tuning in to AI in Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.